topics covered in this lecture. In this video tutorial, you will learn circular reference cell index cell. Earlier, I have discussed relative mix and absolute reference cell. So, in this lecture, I am presenting the circular reference. So, it is very important for you just concentration in my lecture. Circular reference actually it's a present cell which is holding the formula. I will give you an example for better understanding. Let's go. See that here is 100, 200 and another column is blank. So it is remain the series. So under the 5 row, number of 5 rows. So I am putting here equal sign and I am selecting 100 A5 plus B5 plus C5. C5 I am just putting in manually. There is one dialog box appeared. If I click on OK, see result is 0. So see the dialog box, there is one message appeared where is written circular reference cell. So that meaning is circular reference cell that exit in C5. So why it is 0? C5 why it is 0? So answer is in file option. Let's go to the file option. File, then go down, click on more, select one option, then our dialog box will appear. Go to the formula. See, there is enable iterative calculation. So there is iterative calculation is enabled. So I am going to enable iterative calculation. Enable the iterative calculation and maximum iteration, press the 3 and press OK. See, there is result is appear. Why? Result is 900. So why 900? Because iteration happened 3 times. That is why 900. So there is 100 and 200. So it should be 300. But here is showing 900 because iteration came 3 times. If I change the value here, if I put 500, see, result also happened. It's changed. It's changed in 3000. Why it's 3000? Because iteration happened in 3 times. There is 500 and 200. It should be 700. But there is showing the 3000. Also, did you notice that one? Whenever you will enable iteration calculations, so here will be message will not show. See, only written is calculation. So circular reference cell actually it is error. So if we keep the off, it is better. So we'll go to the file. Then we'll go to more, then we'll select the options, then we'll go for formula, then I will off it is because it is error actually. We won't call it on future. We if I edit this one, I will again if I edit this one again I will press enter. See, result is automatically 0. In this video tutorial, I have teach you circular reference cell. In upcoming video, I will teach you lots of things on Excel. For the reason, you have to support me, grow up my channel, subscribe my channel, share it, give the comment. If you face any problem, then I will support you lots. And another way, you will give me the advice what kind of video, what kind of problem you are occurring, then on that topic I will make on video for your helpful. Support me, channel my share, thumbnail, and share my channel. I will support you lots. Thank you so much.